Hello, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be preparing a healthy laddu recipe using quinoa, oats and moong dal. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with my blog link and the social media handle links. I'll be using moong dal, quinoa. The moong dal is already roasted and reserved. Oats, which is powdered and reserved. Cardamom powder, chopped pistachios, ghee and sugar. We'll be powdering the sugar. Since my mother uses moong dal often, she tends to dry roast it in bulk and reserve it. So that's the reason I've avoided dry roasting the moong dal, but for this recipe you will have to dry roast the moong dal. Here I've heated a wok on medium to low flame and I've started to dry roast the quinoa. You have to constantly keep stirring this and dry roast it till it starts to sputter. You'll get a very good aroma and the color from the quinoa will change from light to dark. Once you dry roast your moong dal, you will start to dry roast your quinoa. You will have a very good even heat in the wok and your quinoa will get dry roasted evenly. Since I keep doing a lot of projects, I tend to also grind the oats and reserve it. So that's how I had the powdered oats prior. But if you are preparing, do prepare the powdered oats. Here you can see the quinoa has started to sputter and the color has changed. I have removed it from the flame and added to a mixer jar directly. I'll also be adding the roasted moong dal along with the quinoa. We'll grind both the ingredients to a powder format. Now once it's ground, I'll also be combining the oats which is ground earlier. I'll run it on 2 speed and grind all the ingredients. Now I have achieved a fine powder. I'll be transferring this to a mixing bowl. I've also powdered the sugar. So the sugar I'll be adding in batches. Since we use a lot of heat and grind it in the mixer jar, the sugar tends to form lumps. So use your hands and break all the lumps and combine the sugar in the quinoa, oats and moong dal powder. Add your sugar in batches and combine. Once you've combined all the ingredients, add your cardamom powder and few pistachios. Combine all the ingredients. Create a small well and reserve. On very low to medium flame, I've heated a fry pan. I'll be melting the ghee in small batches. Don't melt your ghee all at once. I've used approximately half a cup of ghee for this recipe. I'm just heating the ghee. I'm not going to overly boil the ghee. So once the ghee has heated, I've added the ghee to the flour mixture and started to combine it. You will get to know the consistency only when you mix it in your hand. So use your hand and combine all the ingredients. Once you combine all the ingredients, you will achieve a short crust pastry like format. Or when we prepare our samosas or kachoris, this is the consistency we'll achieve. So here again I've added the ghee and combined. Now the heat from the ghee has melted the sugar. It will be easy for us to prepare ladus. So that's the reason I told you, melt your ghee in batches. Now combine all the ingredients and start forming the ladus. Once you form your ladus, it will tend to be loose, but as it sets, it will harden and it will be perfect. These are excellent and they preserve well. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe post will be posted on my blog link, social media handle links, and link to my Tamil channel will be listed in the description box below this video. These melt in your mouth ladus are perfect for any occasion. These can be stored easily and served in room temperature. Do try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.